In this video, we're going to show you to install the turn signal combination switch on your Nissan Frontier, located on the left-hand side of your steering column. And on the driver's side, we have the knee board here underneath our steering column. On the right-hand side, you're going to find a Phillips head screw. Loosen and remove that. Now on our particular model, there is a trailer brake here, and our bracket is attached, the lower panel, to the center console panel here. So you want to go ahead, loosen and remove these screws and move that bracket out of the way. Grab your sill panel here and gently pull towards you. And pop this out. Pull the seal, and then grab our trim right here. You're gonna gently pull up on this. If you lift this up, there's a Phillips head screw underneath we need to go ahead, loosen and remove. Once that screw pops out, we should be able to go ahead and drop this panel down. There's an electrical connector on the back side right here for our cargo light. I use my pocket screwdriver and press in on this little lock tab here. That'll allow us to pull that connector off. Go ahead and set the knee panel aside. On the bottom side here of our steering column, we have two Phillips head screws. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove these. On the right-hand side, we have this other screw here. On the left-hand side by our stock, I'm just going to use my trim tool. I'm going to go in here and gently pry this open and open up this piece of the cover and pull down. Pop on this here, just pop that off. That's going to give us access to the unit right here that we want to replace. When you go to pull out the original unit, there's going to be two little tabs. There's going to be one on the top and there's one on the bottom. You need to press down on these two. And it literally falls right out. Take your new part, line that up, fits together like a little puzzle piece. Push it in. You want to make sure that it's fully secured in there. You're going to feel and hear it click into place. And once you have the unit installed, go ahead and bring the steering wheel cover back over into place, get that lined up. Then we'll line up the lower one and let's reassemble this here, bring it up into place. Line up that upper cover. Snap it together on both driver and passenger side. Once you have the upper lower snapped together, let's install the three screws on the bottom. Good, run that in, snug it down. Do the same over here. Okay, our steering column is assembled. Let's go ahead and install our lower trim panels. Line up your connector, push it on. Let's line up our trim panel. Pop that in, and we have the lower screw. Let's go ahead and get that installed. Snug that down. Let's install the one on the driver's side. Press your trim in, Install the door gasket back onto the pinch weld. Pop on your sill plate there. At this point here, you want to go ahead and test your signal, make sure everything works. If you happen to have accessories like we have here, go ahead and reinstall those as necessary. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.